know nothing about wigs, but I don't think this is the 13 by 6 lace front. It's like a Barbie doll scalp. Hey y'all, it's me, Danielle, otherwise known as That Girl Danny, here on YouTube and on Instagram. And I want to say welcome to or welcome back to my channel. So as the title shows you, we're going to jump right into what happened. I got Insta-SCAMMED on Instagram. I just want to say I'm making this video so it doesn't happen to anyone else. I'm going to get right into what happened. So it's kind of embarrassing, but this is what happened. So I'm scrolling through Instagram and Instagram has ads, and I watch ads every now and then, and because I like search on YouTube and stuff, wig making or people installing wigs, or sometimes I just watch that kind of stuff for fun. I don't wear wigs on a regular basis. The most I wear is like a U-part wig, right? But I see wig ads all the time on Instagram. So one wig company, I only ever bought from one wig company, and it was U-part wigs. So the one wig company I bought from was called LuvMe Hair, and I purchased directly from their site before, and the wigs that I've gotten I really, enjoyed. They were good quality wigs. It was, it was fine. So when I see ads from them, I tend to look at them to see what their sale is, because they always have like a good sale going on. Some sales are better than others. So I'm going to show you on the screen what the ad looked like. But it was a 90% off sale for Valentine's Day. And basically it was 90% off, and then it said buy two, get one free. I'm like, wow. LuvMe Hair always has these really good sales. So I'm like, this one is the best one yet, right? So I clicked the ad, and because I knew it was LuvMe Hair because it was ads that I've seen before, because I see LuvMe Hair all the time, and plus it was their logo in like the little sponsor logo spot. So I went to their website. I clicked the ad. I clicked the ad on Instagram, so it routed me to the website that was linked to the ad. It had the picture of LuvMe Hair, and it had all of these wigs, and I was like, wow, I'm pretty familiar with LuvMe Hair website, and I kind of know their catalog of type of hair. But I was scrolling and scrolling, I was like, wow, they must have expanded their inventory for this sale, right? So I'm scrolling through, pick the wig. Guess how much the wigs were? The advertisement on Instagram said they were 90% off. The wig that I thought I liked, I clicked on it, and it was for like 25 bucks. And I'm like, whoa, this is a good deal. And the wig I clicked on was kind of reminiscent of what I've seen on LuvMe Hair website. So I clicked it. Now, meanwhile, I think I'm on LuvMe Hair's website because the ad routed me to a website. The ad said LuvMe Hair, so in my mind, I'm on LuvMe Hair's website. So I added that wig to my shopping cart, and then it was like this little thing that says add one more wig. You buy two, you get one free. This is on top of 90% off. I'm like, what? This is a great deal. Let me hurry up and get on top of this before the sale goes away, right? Because I'm thinking I'm just really getting a good deal. So I really feel like I'm really getting a good deal. And mind you, I'm doing this in the morning of a weekday. I don't remember the day of the week, but I know it's a weekday. I know it's the morning, and kind of my house was kind of in the motion of getting ready to go to work and school. So I'm kind of in the bed. I'm kind of hurrying up and doing this so I can kind of get in the motion of going to work and school. So I clicked I was scrolling through, like, let me see. I'm like, okay, I've never tried a lace part wig, a lace front. I never tried a lace front wig. I never bought one, never tried it on at all. So I said, oh, maybe this would be a good opportunity to get a lace front wig. And mind you, it's $25, 90% off. So I found the second one, lace front wig. I'm like, all right, cool. I was like, oh, my total was only like 50s, almost 60 bucks. So cool. And it was like, wait, you buy two and you get one free. Oh yeah, let me pick a third one. So I picked the third one, and I got these 3 wigs in my shopping cart. And it was like, it's like little prompts that kind of get you to check out now. It's just like these little prompts every time you add something to your shopping cart, or if you're on the website, you press so long, it gives you these prompts and pop-ups and everything. And you didn't need a coupon code, which normally on LuvMe Hair you need a coupon code, but whatever. I think I'm on LuvMe Hair's website. So I go to checkout. I always, if I click something from Instagram, any ad, like I shop ads on Instagram. Kind of, it like, well, more than likely it's like Amazon or something, but nonetheless, anytime I shop from Amazon, I always go through my PayPal. So in an option for PayPal, the screen looks just the same. Nothing looks different on the website and the screen. Only thing that looked different to me was the inventory. But I was like, well, maybe they upped their inventory for this special spectacular sale. So I check out through PayPal. Anytime I check out through PayPal, it gives you confirmation, and I shot it on my phone. So got my confirmation, screenshot it on my phone, and then my eyes went whoop, looked at the website I was on. The website said Lulu's hair. Wait, I got it in my phone. Okay, I found the email. So, oh, okay. So I placed the order on January 25th, which is the day before my birthday, which makes sense that I wanted to buy something for myself, right? So this was on January 5th, and on the next day, January 26th, my actual birthday, it said the order shipped. And I can show you guys, I'm gonna show you guys this part, but it's called LUUS. One was ombre, black to brown, curly wig with bangs. Another one was 13x6 lace front. Never had this before, right? Body wave, fake scalp, Brazilian Remy hair. That was $28.99. And then this was another straight lace wig, $23.99. Now the scam part of this is that I thought I was shopping on LuvMe Hair's website when I was shopping on something called LUUS. Now, I didn't file a claim through PayPal. I know someone might be thinking that I didn't file a claim through PayPal because the very next day I got a confirmation that my order shipped. I'm like, okay, at least I'm getting something. And I do have the package. The package came, probably took about 2 weeks to come. I was telling my sister what happened, and I was trying to find that same ad again on Instagram, but I couldn't find it. But as I was on Instagram, a very, very, very similar ad came up, but it said a different company. It said LuvMe Hair, but instead of LUVE, it was LUEV Hair. And it brought you to a different website. And that's what I'm showing you on the screen now, what that website looked just like the website I clicked on when I bought this on the 25th. Now, I have the package right here. I have not opened it. So I have the package here. It came straight, I'm pretty sure it came straight from overseas. And all 3 wigs are supposed to be in here. Open it like this. So this has a SKU number on it. I'm scared, but I think this is the straight one. So this is the wig. I gotta smell it. Okay, it just smells like regular fake hair. So I'm not familiar with lace front wigs at all, but I'm pretty sure this is synthetic. I'm pretty sure this is a synthetic wig. That's a synthetic wig. All day, you can hear it. Look how shiny it is. This is the inside. And this is the lace. But this is synthetic. That's why I don't. It smell like synthetic hair. Look at what they was selling me and look at what they gave me. Now some of y'all are like, oh, I'll still make that work. And you can. But it's just like, 1, this is not LuvMe Hair. 2, this is not it. This is not it. This is like plastic. It's like a Barbie doll scalp. I feel like I was shopping on Party City. This is Party City hair. This is costume hair. This is not the ombre, so this must be the bob. And this is the same thing. Same scalp, same lace. Wait, no, this not. Does this say this is lace front? Oh, this is a 13x6 lace front. This is a 13x6 lace front, y'all. This is 13. I don't know nothing about wigs, but I don't think this is the 13x6 lace front. This feel like straw. And this is just all my fault for not reading and for just being impulsive. So I'm not blaming the company. I'm the one who didn't read. Who she look like? Who she look like? Who you know where it is? If you want these, let me know. Let me know if you want these wigs. Do you want these wigs? Tell me. I might just send it to you. You in the plastic? Or maybe you like cosplay. Okay, where the ombre one? Okay, this ain't, I don't see no ombre. It's just like they gave you whatever. Oh, I'm over it. These people just, I might just file a claim. Cause this is not it. They did not, ooh. That just looked gross. That don't look like anything new. Oh, I can't stand to touch it anymore. So yeah, if you want these wigs, let me know. Maybe this is your cup of tea. I'm sorry if it is. I'm sorry if I offended you, but this ain't my cup of tea. And what's with the balled up pieces of paper? What that's supposed to do? If y'all want these, contact me soon, cause we about to go in the garbage. That is the gist of what happened. I clicked on an ad that had a picture of a wig company that I was familiar with, and it routed me to a completely different website with completely different inventory, and I did not read close enough, and I got a big synthetic pile of mess. Now I know you guys are probably thinking the price should have gave it away, but I was just being impulsive, and because I was doing this during our like morning routine where it was a lot of stuff going on, I'm just like, ooh, let me PayPal, you know, not even paying attention to what I was doing. So that's my bad. Like, I'm not blaming anybody but myself. Like, if I do a PayPal claim, what would I say? I can always say they didn't send me the product as described, but I really should have known better. And it was $60, even though that's that could be a couple boxes of pull-ups for my son. But anyway, I just like, I'm over it. It's been like a month since I purchased it. We're almost up on a month since I purchased that, and so I'm not even trying to, like, I don't know. I don't have any strong emotions tied to it. I just feel like a goofball. I just feel like kind of like how'd you do that? Like, how did I allow myself not to read? Because I'm always somebody who's like, you gotta read online. You gotta make sure you read what it said it, But I just was being impulsive. Had a few extra coins, obviously, and I wasted it. So anyway, share this video with your family and your friends. Maybe you are more detail oriented, where you wouldn't make this mistake, where you would have seen that it was a scam, or maybe you did come across this before and you just swiped through it like, oh, this is obviously a scam. But share this video with maybe some of your loved ones who are just getting into buying wigs online or buying anything online, just to make sure that what the ad they're clicking on is routing them to the correct website for the advertisement. So just pass this along. Or maybe this has happened to you. Maybe I'm not the only one, and maybe other people are just too embarrassed to make the video. I don't know. Let me know down below in the comments if this has ever happened to you or happened to someone you know. I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. Sorry if you thought I was gonna try on the wigs. I'm not putting those things on my head. Even if I washed them, I don't. They're plastic. Like, what do I do? So anyway, thank y'all again so much for watching. And if you are admiring my current hairstyle, I do have a video on this on my channel and I'll link it in this video. But again, thanks for watching. You guys have a great week. Be blessed. Peace.